You feel like a
I'll show you.
Hey, yo, bro.
Did you know Great Wall of China is in China? And Kachori is in Georgia.
Well, that's a good night. What the fuck?
Then stop interrupting me. These people, I'm going on a trek with Eco Club people, with my team, who constantly bully me. So yeah, jokes aside, we're going on a Kachori trip with Eco Club. It's more like an Eco Club and Gazette Club collaboration, and all we do is just do these lame vlogs and boring interviews. People are watching me, people are looking at me so weirdly. The trek hasn't begun, I think we're lost already. Where are the people?
They're too far.
That's okay.
They're too fast. And we are too slow because we have like an old person with us.
Yeah.
You know who's the old person among all of us here?
Oh, let's say, who's the oldest person
The person
here?
who is holding a mobile.
Shut up! He's older than me. Okay, proof that I'm being bullied by my own juniors. Like,
See, cut and there will be full footages. One shot of that. See, now you guys will see how old she is. There'll be a transition of you walking like an old auntie now.
I won't.
You're just proving them why you are called an old
I'm
lady.
just sleep deprived. Okay.
Huh?
Of course, old ladies what old people tell.
Where are we? Are we lost?
You know what, just keep showing the surroundings. Yeah, look at just show, man. Show the surroundings. Just don't show your face. Show the surroundings also. Just turn like this and just.
Look guys. Look. We're lost.
Yeah, sure.
Lost before even the trip started.
They told us not to leave the groups, but we trusted Balaji.
Of course, it's better to trust me than trusting someone. Old lady.
Old lady.
Yeah, that's why we're lost.
Looks.
Oh yeah, they're leaving. So I think we already found them. Or we just found them. And apparently, we just found the group. and apparently we can identify Lasha sir from almost
Hey,
here.
look out, there is a dog in front of you. Look out.
We did.
Of course.
I don't know if Umi called a dog now.
Yeah.
I don't know this.
I said there is a dog. Did I say where is the dog?
You said it was right before me.
Wait, complete the
Oh
show.
yeah, where are people? People left already.
One footage. I thought it'd be a nice 2x we can take from here till there.
Okay, I'm gonna hold like this until I
Okay.
see them. Hey, they're getting on the bus.
I heard the dogs have a good
They're
friend.
getting on the bus.
God.
That's okay, let's get to the next one.
They're getting on the bus and leaving us.
If you are running also, make sure the cam is on and run. Okay.
Even if I'm dying, I'll make sure the camera is on.
Exactly. We need footage.
I'll make sure the editing team gets all the footage they needed, so they can make my death look beautiful at least.
The signal is right.
Yeah, there is one here.
The bus is coming in half an hour.
You're sleep deprived. You're sleep deprived. Of course, there's a lot of space here. You can sleep anywhere you want.
I don't know
Of
that.
course, no one will stay here.
It's on before we even start.
By the way, we did so introduce us to the debate club. You fuck. You come here.
Oh, yeah,
Introduce us to the debate club. Where is the debate club? That's your fucking script. Do that shit fast.
Okay.
Hey, yo, wait. Hold it like this, okay? Then you turn it to her like this, and then you ask her the question.
So apparently there's also debate club joining us.
Hello.
Where's the debate club?
The presidents are currently at home. We
Yeah.
are here to represent. Yeah.
Yes.
Representing.
Most chill club ever, best club ever.
Gazette.
Number one.
Gazette club number 1, and we have 4 people there.
Gazette. I'm Eco Club.
Get out from here, get out of the frame. They're in my club, dude. See, we got free VIP passes, okay? We didn't have to register also. Flex. Did you register, Andrea? She had to register.
That's called manners.
No, it's called speaking. Record everyone while they're speaking on their face. How do you get it? That doesn't record without a mic.
Yeah, actually she recorded a huge thing without the... What is this?
See, yeah. I'm not supposed to.
Hi guys. So if you push him while climbing the bus, what do you do?
I'll whoop somebody's ass.
Do you what? If I push him while climbing the bus and the bus runs over him, what do you do?
Oh, I will support, I will clap, I'll make sure I'll record it.
What?
I'll make sure I'll record it.
Where is the digital people?
Oh, good. What do you do if you go under the bus?
digital. You're the camera guy, right? Yeah. He's the camera guy. Tell him what you
Oh, if he goes under the bus, record it, okay?
She will slap me then.
Exactly. That was such a raw reaction. Go.
We somehow made it to the bus. That was a very tight competition. But you see this chaos here? This is our daily routine.
Yeah. Do you want to say something?
Yeah, I'm not finished yet. But what's special about today's chaos is these students collaboratively made a decision to scare Georgians their shit out of today and annoy them until they themselves get down the bus.
See an example though. Yeah, continue. How does it feel after sitting after a long time?
I don't know, how do you feel, babe?
Oh my goodness. I didn't see that coming.
You should interview her because I'm not.
You know that you're no, right? That sounds so wrong.
I know, I'm supposed to sound like...
Oh my goodness.
Welcome to Kachori. That dog is Kachori dog. That rocks, this bus, that uncle, these people, Kachori people. You know Kachori means dates? Karjura.
Karjura.
But no, this is not that. This means, we'll figure that out. We'll ask Lasha sir what Kachori means. Kachori.
Hey guys, 7 videos in a break for the week. Yeah. The beginning of our track.
That's it? I thought you were gonna teach us the history of Kachori.
So fun. What do you want to find here? When we'll come to the place, that's what I will teach you.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So far, it's just village.
Patience.
Yeah. I tried. So what is Kachori? Like the word Kachori? Because in Indian, Hindi, Telugu and all, that is Kajur, which means dates. Similar word, yeah. So,
I think the roots might be more like in the European, or they might be Turkish and so on.
so Kajori doesn't have a literal translation.
It's a little geographical location, Koji. So, most likely came from either Iranian word and so on.
Yeah. So are there dates here?
Bruh. No.
What the hell? That was so... No, just
say justice for Parnika because she's Pav. How hard is that?
Oh, okay. Justice for Pavam because she's Parnika. After 100 takes. Yeah. It came good. That's...
No, don't. Cut. That is going just on a run.
Yeah, you walk in that.
No, I'll go front. Wait. Yeah, now you jump.
How do I jump? There's nothing to jump.
You didn't get the point though. Faster!
Are those snacks?
What?
Is that a car? Are those snacks? Is there water in it? Or is it an illusion?
They are cows, by the way.
Pillows.
Okay, whatever. You are able to recognize your own self. Your own self. Calm down, calm down. Come, go near the grass. Go near the grass. No, but we wouldn't get the shot that time. Content.
How to sacrifice Karnika for content 101. And we reached to the top of the whatever this is. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Oh, see the. I'll let to say hi from there.
Anaka! Say hi! Don't jump, you'll fall! मौत के बारे में कभी सोचा?
Yes.
क्या सोचा?
How will it be?
क्यों सोचा?
You guys were born after. I mean, you guys were born, but I was born after death. See, read it, right?
That's a good shot.
What?
You're blank.
You know that meme?
How is the trek going on?
As you see, so not tiring at all. So staminatic, if there's a word like that. So connecting with nature and afterlife a little bit. And see, everybody's tired. And I still have stamina to talk all bullshit. You have stamina to talk bullshit always.
Boom. Roasted.
Yeah.
So I'm having a Mission Impossible moment right now. This is a very safe road to. I didn't. Okay. Of course. Yep. We got this. Oh, we also have some botany here. So.
Sad guy, bro.
Guria.
No, bro, you don't call me. So Dr. Parinika.
Yeah, teach you some botany. This thing right here is called an Ajinomoto plant, and you're supposed to chew it. Balia,
What do you use it for?
this is it's good for your skin, Balia.
Yeah.
You will become
good skin.
you will become like you turn into Hulk. So now we have to go through this narrow zone right here. Oh, that's Balaji. Say hi, Balaji. Never mind. So, Guru,
Yeah.
just shoot me while I'm just record me while I'm getting down. That is so weird. Okay. Maybe Sangeeta, you go front. I'm good. You guys go
Just keep
first.
going. Just keep walking. Keep walking.
So this is actual trekking now. No, I want Mission Impossible song. Oh fuck! Oh.
Gone.
How did? So right now we're getting down the staircase to climb up the staircase. Oh shit! You have too much trust on me, okay? What? See, if I slip, I'll protect myself, and I'll drop your phone in the process of protecting myself. What will you do? What will you do? What will you do if I drop your phone for protecting myself? Okay, wait, I'll show you where are we getting down. So we're getting down the stairs to climb the stairs right there, which will take us to a fortress. Oh my god!
And you might have gone directly to where?
To the people who built the fortress.
Yeah.
Direct pathway.
Okay.
Now we're gonna climb the stairs.
Oh, look at this way. This is.
Yeah, I mean it's giving like a trek, proper trekking vibes. I'm not sure if I'm.
Yeah.
And now we're getting on the stairs. Oh my god! Just look at the view. Goodness. Oh my god. Guria, the trust you have on me. With your phone.
I am never calling you Guru again.
Call me Grocky, it's fine.
I'm never calling you Guru again.
Panika, wait there.
You are
Let me
good.
go first.
This staircase is giving me anxiety.
Show the way that is.
Just look at the.
It's literally like a straight line.
Yeah.
It's up almost 90 degrees.
Guria, I don't think you need to trust me here. I'll surely drop your phone.
Come on.
This is practically a ladder.
I'll only just stop. Dude, I don't have trust on myself.
Yeah.
See.
Okay. Oh, Balu is getting it.
Oh, Balu.
Baya. Guriya.
Come on.
Wait.
Oh, one stairs is only gone.
Oh yeah.
One stairs is gone.
Just be careful, guys.
Yeah. Man, it's not
Maybe
the
let
thing.
Sankirtan come front.
Yeah. Of Sankirtan come front.
No, just come front. Yes. Guriya? Yeah. Careful, Guriya.
Only you are appearing in camera.
No, the point is while we are walking down, it'll be even worse.
No.
Bro, I know, right? I don't think I'll... Oh, fuck. I have height for... Oh, okay. We just got on those stairs and now we're going further into this mystical cave, which is damn actually mystical. And Guriya?
Back.
Guriya, you expect me to climb this with one hand?
No, just don't. I'm doing it.
Just show that once.
Just... I'm...
No, show it through the front cam like this once.
something like this? Oh shit, sorry.
Come on.
He'll record from here.
No, it's actually a mission impossible.
Don't do that. You
Don't
can't.
try that, you can't.
I can. See, if you say you can't, no, you're triggering my ego right there.
Oh.
Don't lose your neck in the.
Okay, so now we know the code.
You can't jump
And
from
I
here.
made it with one hand.
You can't jump from here.
I can.
I am doing with the two bags.
See,
Don't forget that.
I'm not an idiot, okay? So I guess we just made it to the fort. Guys, are you gonna just... Woo! Ooh! I didn't...
She's getting good.
It's crazy. No, I feel like an actual vlogger now at this point. I'm just talking nonsense and bullshit.
You're supposed to be an actor.
Guru, so if I drop the phone to get the dropping effect,
Okay.
what do you do?
You know, I have something called as Google Chrome. I can just search and I can get the drop effect.
And if you
Women.
by any chance you drop the phone.
Editors.
What were you saying?
So I was saying, you see that thing you see right there?
Balu.
Not Balu. The view, the mountain.
Got it.
You know, it looks like Great Wall of China.
You are smart.
You're
but
smart.
without-
You're so smart. How? कहाँ से मिलती है ये technology?
Can you shut up and... Chip. So that thing right there, it looks like Great Wall of China, but without
Content.
a wall. Without China. Down again. Oh, we actually have to get down the stairs. Yeah. Bro, I'm already scared. Yep.
Actually, you should go there.
We got that. We got that. Who suggested?
You can't jump. You have to go there.
No, nope. We're not jumping. Nobody's jumping. No cousin is jumping. Huh? I'll jump on you. My knee right landing on your face. Okay, Guriya?
Yeah.
My arm's aching. Guriya. Ah.
Phone.
Thank you.
She told phone somebody hold and then she's like, what? Bro, just... Nah, bro, why will I? Keep walking fast. You're testing her patience now.
Not just trusting my patience, okay? Do you need hands? No, it's alright, let's go. Giving hands.
Karo.
Cameraman never dies. I can make it more dramatic.
It's fine.
Don't actually go Titanic there. What? Yeah, come. I'll show you.
Hey,
I am moving out. I will die in this conflict.
You feel like a
Come, there, I'll show you.
hey, yo, bro.
So, if the rock breaks and you fall down, what do you do?
I'll take you along with me. Yeah, aren't you coming with us already?
No.
No. Good girl, give it.
No.
Good girl, give it.
I was holding it.
Where are you from?
Bangalore.
No, you're from Delusion.
Oh wow!